Welcome. Today we'll show you how to call a TI process from Planning Analytics from Euclid Studio. First, we want to go ahead and add the node that's going to perform this functionality for us. So that's going to be under the output section. It's called the REST command node. Alright, so let's go open up this node. So there's some information that you're going to need to know about your Planning Analytics server before you get started. You're going to need to know the server name. In my example, this is just running on my machine locally, so I'm going to go ahead and put in localhost. You're going to need to know the HTTP port that the REST API leverages. And finally, you're going to need to know the name of your process. If you have spaces in your process name, you're going to need to encode them. So you're going to add a %20 if there's a space. In this example, we just have an underscore, no spaces, so I'm going to leave that the same. In terms of headers, everything here is fine. This node comes pre-configured to work out of the box with basic authentication. So the only thing you should need to change is the request URL. And then on the authentication tab, we're going to go ahead and put in our credentials. Again, this is using basic authentication for Planning Analytics. So I'm going to go ahead and put in my credentials. All right. So now we are ready to run. I'm going to go ahead and show you the TI process that we're going to run in here, post ETL. And as you can see, it's just putting a value into our global variables cube. So I'll pull that cube over here, this view. We can see that we have a value of 0. This process is not run yet. I'm going to go ahead and click run. We'll see that the run completed. We get some information back telling us that it completed. And finally, let's jump back into Planning Analytics, refresh our view, and see that we've called the process.